What's up, guys? I'm Steven.
I'm Natalia.
We're the carry-on couple,
and we're taking on Electric Forest.
So here we are. I'm gonna finish up a few more pins that I have left. Every year we like to make a little something to give away. Electric Forest is a very giving community. Ever since the first year that I went, I realized how amazing and how great the community is, and it's just a little something that makes it even better. A few more pins that I have left. This amazing machine. Yay, okay, there we go. That's how we get our pins, and that's how we're doing all the pins to give away this year. So just got a few more to do, get all the little gift bags together to give away. So ready for this year.
And hey, if you're new here, we travel the world on a budget and document every experience. Hit subscribe so you don't miss where we go next. And trust me, after Electric Forest, we've got a lot more coming. It's finally here. Woo! Electric Forest. It's everything, yes. So look at this. We got the sticker for the car. We got our wristbands. They're so pretty. Look at that. Our little Electric Forest. And the pins. Look at that. And there we go.
Packing for Electric Forest is its own sport. 4 days in the woods, camping gear, festival fits, and all of Natalia's handmade gifts. Hey guys, checking in. Here we are, 8 hours into the 10.5-hour drive. Almost there. We're in Michigan now. Super stoked to be back at Forest, back home with our friends.
Almost there, so excited.
We're going to be hitting the Walmart so we can pick up some non-perishables for the conscience poster. So stay tuned. Can't wait to see you guys when we arrive.
After a long 10.5 hours, we made it. Yes. We are basically here.
To make it to our Electric Avenue.
But it's the best place you can stay.
Right behind the main stage, Ranch Arena.
You're inside the festival grounds. Doesn't matter how many times you pull through those gates, it hits the same every single time. Electric Forest!
I'm just trying to unlock the secrets of the forest, if you hear me.
You know.
I know where I'm going. It's not my first rodeo.
Apparently not. 6 in the forest this year.
6. Give me my hands. And we made it!
Here we are, finally parked.
Through the check-in, now it's time to set up camp.
Yes, let's get our stuff.
My first few years here, I was in a sleeping bag in GA. Electric Avenue is on a different level.
A real queen-size bed, in a bell tent, in the middle of a forest.
And here we are. Home sweet home. Alright. Woo, a little.
Nice scene.
We're ready.
We got settled and took in Electric Avenue at night.
That's how I find it with her little blinkingness.
Then Thursday morning came.
Walking into Sherwood Forest never gets old. Doesn't matter how many times you've done it. In Electric Forest. Woo.
During the day, before everything kicks off, it's still the most peaceful place. The calm before the storm.
We know what's coming, and we still can't wait. What'd you find? That's so cute.
So cute, but it belongs to you. It's a teddy bear.
Oh, and the forest has residents. Characters who live in the woods and just find you.
Something most people don't know about Electric Forest is they run a hidden scavenger hunt through the entire festival. We did it. End of the quest, man. We did it. Woo! Hey, Luna. We did it. A passport book, stamps hidden all over the grounds, and if you finish, something unlocks.
We made sure we finished it on day 1. We knew we were going to need those pins.
Of course. And we closed out Thursday inside the Dream Emporium, which is basically a whole separate world living inside Electric Forest. Different rooms, immersive art, and surprises behind every door.
Carousel Club, Ranch Arena, the observatory, we hit everything. Friday at Electric Forest doesn't really have a bedtime.
You blink and it's 4 a.m. and you're somehow still going.
We may have stayed out a little too late, but it was definitely worth it.
Saturday morning in the forest is unmatched. The actors and creatures roaming around are so unique and fun to interact with. You just have to keep your eyes peeled and enjoy the random encounters.
The Given Tree is the absolute heartbeat of Electric Forest. People leave things and trade things. It's been a staple since day 1. There's nothing like experiencing that community vibe firsthand.
Next up, we hit the Dream Emporium again for a serious deep dive.
And we're so glad we did. We found secret screen rooms, an entire rolling rink, and a wrestling ring.
It's wild looking back at this footage now, especially knowing the Dream Emporium and the Carousel Club are officially retired to make room for the new Wander World and Center Stage, an open-air hedge maze stage.
Gotta appreciate the classics before they're gone. We went all the way down the rabbit hole.
Then you step outside after all that madness and the Tesseract just stops you in your tracks.
Sunday at Electric Forest hits different when you know it's the last day.
Everyone in the forest knows it. One more night, make it count.
The scavenger hunt pins we earned on day 1, this is what they're for.
There's a secret speakeasy hidden inside Electric Forest that most people never find. You need pins to get in, and even then, you don't just walk in.
A bar, hidden inside a broken ship, inside a secret room, inside a forest, only accessible if you finish the scavenger hunt.
And tucked in the back of the speakeasy is a room with headphones. One artist making music live from samples right in front of you. No stage, no crowd noise, just the music and Forest fam next to you all in the same world at the same time.
One of the most unexpectedly beautiful moments of the whole weekend.
Before the night really got started, we found the big house near Frick Frack, where for a little while, the Forest swapped house music for some Latin vibes.
And I was very much in my element.
And then the Gingerbread House, spelled with a U, which should tell you everything you need to know. This is an adult-only dominatrix theme bar hidden inside Electric Forest, and the only way in is to earn it.
You earn it at the door.
Oh, yeah.
It's an experience.
And then it was time. Fisher, closing down Ranch Arena.
That's Electric Forest 2025, one of the most unforgettable experiences of our lives.
If you've ever been on the fence about going, go. There is nothing else like it.
And if you want to see where the carry-on couple heads to next,
Tokyo, Japan. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Happy Forest!